my Diamond Art Peeps. This is Diamond Painting with Jack, and I am Jack. If you are new to my channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. And if you are returning, as always, thank you for your continuing support. It means the world to me. I hope that everyone is doing wonderful this Monday, the 19th, Juneteenth day. I am actually off today and have been having a great day. It is nice and sunny here in Norman, Oklahoma. I just got back from having lunch with my daughter, so when I got home I had a box, and so I immediately jumped on to do this unboxing and share this with you. Okay, so this is another reason that I broke my no-buy. I have been wanting this since it came out. I saw Shanta from Diamond Painting with Shanta do an unboxing and a completion of Thanos, and I wanted the balance, and when I went to go get it, it was sold out, and they came back, and I am ecstatic. So here it is, the balance. This is a Marvel Avengers canvas. It is a square canvas, and this is from Diamond Art Club. So let's get into this. I already took it out of the box, took it out of the cellophane, and we're just going to get right into the canvas first, and then I will show you everything else. So like I said, it's a square. It is a 50.8 by 70.7, which is a 20 by 28 inch. So it comes in this lovely protector cover. Alright. So how many of you guys have to work today? Such a beautiful, beautiful day here. Alright. So I'm going to pull everything out. Oh my goodness, look at all the reels. Oh my gosh. I am so excited to do this. So this has 66 colors, and it has, I believe, 5 ABs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It has 5 ABs. And so this is a sticker sheet. All of these are stickers that come off individual, and they're individually cut. It has your start and finish date. You guys, when I saw that this was back on, someone had posted something about a restock, so I immediately went on. I was like, normally I try not to, but I thought my 2 caveats was the balance and the Marilyn Monroe, and which that's another long story. But anyway, so I went on and I was like, okay, so I'm looking, and I'm like, okay, the balance, and there it was. I was shaking so hard, I didn't even get a chance to use my points or anything, because I hear about people getting cart snatch. So I was just like trying to get it into the cart and trying to get it paid for. I was like, literally my hands were shaking. So it is going to be beautiful. All right, so let me roll it back. Oh my gosh. And even though I'm not really a square person, I like rounds better, I didn't even check to see. I kind of thought that it was squares from looking at it before. I didn't care. I just knew that I wanted it, and I got it. All right. So here it is. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. So, like I said, 66 colors. Now my only not a concern or a wish. So they have this big image of Thanos, and I have a pretty good size image of Captain America. But I think that Thanos his image shouldn't have been quite as big. I think like maybe Iron Man should have been bigger. But it's beautiful. So I'm gonna stand up. Let me move my chair back. I should have did that anyway. But here it is. So we have Thanos, we have Captain America, we have the Black Widow, Iron Man, Thor, Black Panther. I wish that the Black Panther would have been a little bigger as well. The Hulk, Doctor Strange. Oh, you probably can't see that. Doctor Strange, and then I believe this is Captain Marvel. Really, I'm gonna get this together. Really, honestly, there. So I think that's Captain Marvel and then Doctor Strange right there. It'll be interesting to see how they turn out because their faces look pretty pixelated, but everybody else's face is really clear. Oh, you guys, this is so beautiful. I wish I was a better camera person. And it's not, I mean, it's big, but I don't think that is like unmanageable. And of course, it is nice and sticky. Nice and sticky. And the drill fill is really clear. I have been wanting this, like I said, forever. And I could kick myself for not getting it when it first came out. And I still think that I may go back and get like Iron Man and Captain America by themselves, or possibly Loki, because I love Marvel. Love it, love it, love it. Look at that. All right, so here are all the drills, and I'm not gonna take these out. There's no special drills, just the 5AB, and AB stands for Aurora Borealis. And so it is a diamond that has special drill colors added onto it to give it a special shimmy shiny. Is that a word, shimmy shiny? I just made that up. So I'm not gonna take them out, but aren't they beautiful? Look at all the purples. Oh, gorgeous. Okay, so now we'll go over the toolkit. So we got our toolkit here. Pour everything out. So our standard boat. I got a purple pen with a purple squishy and some washi tape. I've gotten this before. And then I've also gotten this rose, but it's in more kind of like a, I don't know, tan color, I guess. And the stabby tweezers, wax bags. And this is a stopper that goes on the end of our tray so you keep your beads from flying out. And then a 7-placer, and a 4-placer. So if you guys saw my last video, you know that I am not using my multi-placers because I lost a bit, and so I have to use one of these little pins. So wah, wah. That's all I can say. Okay, so I'll put my stuff back in. All right. And it also comes, all of Diamond Art Club's canvases come with a thank you pamphlet. It has tips and tricks on how to diamond paint, how to diamond paint as well. It has these QRS codes where you can join the Diamond Art Club VIP club and also get discounts on your first canvas if you're very brand new to Diamond Art Club. Oh, but you guys, this is so pretty. I want to get this up right now, but I can't. I can't because I have so much that I am working on. But this has Diamond Art Club, 20 by 28. It's Marvel, Avengers, and Diamond Art Club. It has Marvel on there as well. Also has their social media information, and also that Diamond Art Club is a their insurance, that if I accidentally drop my drill or if I don't have enough drills, that I can contact the company and they will replace them. And it always has their logo on there, do what makes you sparkle. This is absolutely wonderful. Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. Okay. Well, that's really all that I have. I just wanted to get on and do this unboxing. Let's see if I can hold it up again. Sorry, it's got glare. I'm sorry. Let me turn off this light. Maybe that will help with that. And you can see it a little better. Yeah, that's a lot better. Yes, I'm ecstatic, absolutely ecstatic about it. So that's all that I have. Although, you know, you guys, I forgot to tell you in my last video is that Becky from Becky's Diamond Blings, we're doing, it's not even, I can't even say this an event, it's just kind of like a paint-along. That's what I can say. It's a paint-along. Starting in July, I think it's the second Saturday of July, we are going to do mystery kits. I have a mystery kit that I'm going to do from Craftably, and then she has some, I think she said that they were budget-friendly mystery kits that she's going to do. And if you guys are interested in joining us, please let me know. There is no prizes, it's just getting a way of getting to know each other. We're going to try to do like a FaceTime or Messenger time or something like that and work on our kits. And also in August, because I have been buying coasters like crazy because I plan on giving coasters out for Christmas, we're going to do some working on coasters. So if you're interested in either one of those, please comment down below, and also or comment on Becky's. Either way, we would love to have you. The more the merrier, and like I said, it's just another way of getting to know more people out in the diamond painting streets. Okay, all right, so that's really it. So if you like this video, if you'll please hit that like button or thumbs up on the way out, I would appreciate it. And if you would like to become a part of the Struggle Bus family, if you will hit that subscription and hit the bell to be notified of every time that I put out a new video, I would appreciate that. Remember to be kind to one another, keep cool and keep diamond painting, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.